Hello, my name is Rose and welcome to my channel called Dreamcatcher Creations. And today I am going to do a little show and tell of the dream catchers that I made that are in my home. So this one here is a huge dream catcher. I don't know if you can see how big this is. This is the same size or same height as me. It is approximately 5 feet and 5 inches, and I'm going to measure it. So the top of the dream catcher down to the bottom, exactly 5 feet. But if you count the tail where it's hanging, that's another 6 inches. Yeah, 5 and a half, 5 feet, 5 feet and 5 inches. So with this ring, it is 27 inches in diameter. All these beads equal up to 732 beads on one string. And this here one string of sinew is equivalent to maybe 5 to 6 car lengths. And when you have one bead going through the whole webbing, I got many knots, a few knots, just to put all these beads on all the way from the beginning on every row right towards the center. So that was a real challenge, but I did it. And if you're wondering how long it took me like, I was working on like 8 hours a day for, it was a Christmas gift for my husband. So it was like, I believe it was 3-4 days it was completed, but I was working on like 8 hours a day at least, or if not more. So I want to get a little bit closer so you can see the rest of the dream catcher. Here's the dream catcher. And these guys are made out of wood. Thank you for watching this video. It is a show and tell of the work I can do. I've been making dream catchers for the last 25 years, and this here dream catcher is, I would say, the most challenging dream catcher because there was 732 beads on one string, and do all the webbing and everything, and try not to get too many knots. So I just wanted to show this beautiful artwork and showpiece that's in my home, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.